Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Where are we going next? Today, we're back with another Q&A session to answer our viewers' top questions, this time about the mega resort in Dominican, Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, Punta Cana. So, if you have a trip coming up here, this video is for you. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more resort videos. So without further ado, let's get started. So for our first question, is there a shuttle or transportation options to get to the resort from the airport? Most vacation packages include transportation to and from the resort, so be sure to double check that yours does. If transportation isn't included, you can always book it through a third-party vendor or directly on the Hard Rock website, though both options come with an additional cost. Next question, is it truly an all-inclusive experience? Are the coffee shop and ice cream shops included? Yes, Hard Rock Hotel is all-inclusive, but there are a few activities and dining options that come with an additional cost. That said, there's a ton of variety with 9 restaurants included in your stay, and here are some highlights. Ipanema, the Brazilian steakhouse, Zen, a lively teppanyaki restaurant, and Los Gallos is an authentic Mexican cuisine restaurant. And yes, both the coffee shop and ice cream shop are included. There are also a few premium options available for an additional charge, but they're more of an experience than just a meal. Montserrat Manor is a modern American restaurant with dry-aged steaks, fresh seafood, and lobster. Yu, spelled Y-O-U-Y-U, offers Asian-inspired noodle soups and wok dishes. And of course, there's Awaken Your Senses, which is such a unique experience that it deserves its own question entirely. What is Awaken Your Senses? Is it worth it? Awaken Your Senses is a one-of-a-kind dining experience that goes far beyond traditional dinner. Each course is part of a fully curated, themed presentation, complete with immersive table and wall projections, sound effects, and music designed to heighten every moment. We filmed a full video of our experience at Awaken Your Senses, but fair warning, it's packed with spoilers. Our take? It's an incredibly cool and memorable evening. Just a heads up, the portions are on the smaller side, so while the dinner feels luxurious and artful, you won't walk away overly full. What is the overall vibe at Hard Rock? The vibe at Hard Rock Punta Cana is the perfect mix of fun and relaxation. The resort buzzes with energy, offering endless activities to keep you entertained, but it also has plenty of quiet corners where you can unwind and soak up some much-deserved peace. If you're a fan of classic rock or pop music, you'll love exploring the walls of music memorabilia scattered throughout the property. It's like walking through a living museum of music history. And yes, that iconic Cadillac limousine, once owned by Madonna, it's parked right in the middle of the lobby, just waiting for the perfect photo op. What type of activities are available as part of my package? You can expect all the classic water sports and beach activities throughout the day, like volleyball, snorkeling, and water aerobics. One of the coolest perks at Hard Rock Hotel is free access to concerts hosted at the resort if one happens to be scheduled during your stay. Keeping with the rock and roll theme, Hard Rock Hotel even offers complimentary guitar rentals for your room. It's a hidden gem not many guests know about. You can request an electric guitar and a mini amp, complete with headphones, so you can jam out without disturbing your neighbors. Lastly, an amazing amenity that's included in your stay is full access to Rockaway Bay Water Park. The water park comes with tons of slides, a huge splash pad, and bars and loungers so you can relax while your kiddos play. What are some of the activities that are an additional charge? While most of the fun is included, Hard Rock Hotel offers a range of premium activities for an additional cost, all clearly listed on their website. Options include Rockstar Mini Golf, the Flow Rider, which is a simulated surfing experience, Escapeology, which is an escape room, and Laser Tag Space Adventure. There's also a vibrant arcade and even a bowling alley for some cool family fun. How many pools are there? Do I have access to all of them? Believe it or not, at Hard Rock Hotel, they have 13 pools and you have access to all but 3 depending on your guest status. This brings us to the resort's upgraded tiers, Legendary and Hall of Fame, which unlock access to 2 exclusive pools, Isla and the Sun Pool. There's also the Eden Pool, reserved for adults only. The other 10 pools are designed to match your mood for the day. Looking for a pool for the kids? The Kids Pool, with its splash park and lazy river, are perfect for the family. How is the gym and spa? The gym at Hard Rock Hotel, known as Body Rock, is hands down one of the nicest we've seen in the Caribbean. It's stocked with state-of-the-art equipment. They offer group fitness classes, spin, and even yoga, making it the perfect way to burn off some of those extra vacation calories. While we didn't make it to Rock Spa, we researched it a bit, and reviews consistently call it the finest spa in the Dominican Republic. You can preview the full menu of treatments and book appointments online before your trip, perfect for planning out your relaxation in advance. How's the beach and the water? I heard the water is rough. The beach at Hard Rock Hotel is gorgeous. It's wide and spacious and lined with plenty of loungers. But during our stay, the water was a bit rough with red flag conditions, which meant no swimming. On the calmer day, though, we did manage to swim and the water was absolutely lovely. Like any Caribbean destination, ocean conditions can be a bit hit or miss, so here's hoping you get those warm, calm waters. One thing to note, the sand in Punta Cana is unbelievably soft. Having traveled through the Caribbean, we can definitely say that Punta Cana has some of the best beach sand we've ever experienced. Are there vendors on the beach? None that we saw. There may be occasional water sport vendors asking if you want to go on a jet ski, but that's it. It's pretty quiet in terms of locals trying to sell you their things. Being that the resort is so big, is it hard to get around? How long does it take to get to the beach from the lobby? The property is large, but it's pretty easy to navigate with about a 15 to 20 minute walk from the lobby to the beach. If you'd rather not walk, you can rent golf carts or bikes for an additional charge. If anyone knows the current pricing, feel free to drop it in the comments. Alternatively, you can hop on a trolley shuttle at one of the stops, which is a lifesaver after a long sun-soaked pool day. Is it hard to make reservations for the restaurants? The Hard Rock Hotel app makes dinner reservations super easy with a user-friendly portal. We recommend planning ahead and booking your dinners as early as possible since the popular restaurants fill up pretty quick. If you do miss out on a reservation, there's always the market, which is the resort's buffet, and trust us, it's good, with no reservations required. If you're not really good with apps, no problem. The concierge desk can help you with reservations for dining. Would you recommend this hotel? We would definitely recommend Hard Rock Punta Cana, absolutely 100%. Whether you're planning a honeymoon, family vacation, or a trip with friends, this resort truly has something for everyone. Yeah, the price tag is a bit steeper than some nearby resorts, but the sheer variety of included activities, premium upgrades, incredible dining, and pools for every vibe make it worth every penny. Okay, so that's it for our Q&A session for the Hard Rock Punta Cana. We hope this video provided you with some helpful information for your vacation planning. If you do have any other questions, make sure you leave them down in the comments. Also, be sure to check out our full tour of this resort to get a closer look at the buffet, the rooms, and the grounds. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out where we're going next.